To insert an interactive video into your slide, open the Media drop-down and select Interactive Video. A pop-up will appear with 3 options: Upload Video, Search, and My Video. Under Upload Video, upload a video from your device and click to insert it. For a video URL, paste the link and click Insert Video. In Search, you can find a video by entering keywords, while My Video displays your previously created videos. To add interactivity, click the video on the slide and use the options in the right drawer to add hotspots or hot quizzes. To add a hotspot, set the timeline and enter your content with formatting options. For a hot quiz, select the question type, single choice, MQ, true, false, etc., enter your question, and mark the correct answer. You can add success, failure messages and use options like rewind control. Once finished, click Add Hot Quiz to insert it into the video.